Hey guys, it's Isabella back with another video. I'm here to help all of you rideshare drivers, delivery drivers, anyone who wants to save money, make more money, you know, any of that, limit your expenses. You want to keep watching. So if you do rideshare or delivery driving, you already know that gas is such a huge expense. Like, I know drivers will fill up their gas tank every single day, sometimes even twice a day. And where I live in California, gas is usually upwards of $5 per gallon. So it really starts to add up. You know, this is a very big expense. Upside is this amazing app that you can get that helps you get cash back. This is great for saving money at the gas station, even like the grocery store. And if you want to know more about the gas station savings, you can get up to 25 cents per gallon cash back, which is really good, at 25,000 or more gas stations across the United States. And this includes some of the big ones like Shell, Valero, 76, like, you know, all the classic like gas stations you see everywhere. So you might be wondering, is this legit? Like, this sounds like a scam. There's no way. This is way too good to be true. No guys, this is for real. Like, this is an actual app that you can get that will actually give you cash back. Just test it out for yourself. You know, we have a link down below if you want to download it, but it does actually work. Okay, there are plenty of reviews out there. These are real reviews. It has like over 4.8 out of 5 stars. So all you gotta do when you're using the app is you want to download it and log in. You may have to create an account, but it doesn't take very long to do. Okay, it'll show you all the offers nearby of different gas stations or restaurants, like whatever you're choosing to look for, it'll show you on a map of like what's available around you. And what's cool is that it'll tell you the gas price. So like, let's say there's a gas station here, $4.80 a gallon, gas station there, $5.20 a gallon. That way you can go to the cheapest one. And then what's cool is it'll also tell you how much cash back you get for each gas station. Like, one gas station you might get 25 cents per gallon cash back. Another one you might get 18 cents cash back. So you can choose which gas station you want to go to and how much money you want to save. So once you pick a gas station, you can just claim your offer. It's super easy. And then what you want to do, you want to make sure you save your receipt. I don't know about you guys, but I'm one of those people, when it asks me if I want a receipt, I always say no, because I end up getting a ton of receipts. You should save your receipt. Then you can take a picture and you submit it into the app to get cash back. Make sure you do this within 4 hours of claiming it though. So once it's approved, you get your cash back. You can cash out your earnings straight into your bank account. You can put it into your PayPal account. Like, it's very easy to set up. So guys, I highly recommend checking this out. Even if you're not a driver, and like, you know, gas is so expensive. Like, it's one of my biggest expenses each month. I feel like I do drive a lot, and I feel like I'm constantly filling up my tank. And even though I'm not an active driver, like rideshare driver, delivery driver right now, I still like want to get cash back. I want to use this app. So this is really good for like anyone. Once again, you can check it out. We have a link down below in the description. Highly recommend this, guys. You want to save your money. There's really no reason for you not to get this app, if I'm being honest. So might as well just download it, get your money, get your bag. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, comment down below any thoughts you have about anything we talked about, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.